Today I have... Wow! What's this? It's a Bunchems! Today we are going to make special friend with this Bunchems together. What's inside? Wow! What are these? These are Bunchem blocks! Oh, there are many colors! Okay, what color is it? What color is this? It's black. What color is this? It's white. What color is this? It's green. What color is this? Ooh, it's yellow. What color is this? It's orange. How about what color is this? It's red. What color is this? Ooh, it's purple. And the last color is blue. Wow, awesome everybody! In the Bunchems box, there are lots of Bunchems block. It's about 400 pieces! Wow! And also, ta-da! You can see lots of accessories. Let's open it. Wow, we can see wings, hats. Ooh, it looks like legs. And sunglasses, crown. Wow, there are so many accessories. Okay, today we are going to make Halloween friends. Halloween friends! We can use this Bunchem blocks. It looks like small circle and it has many hooks. They can stick to each other. Look! Ta-da! Wow! Oh, it's amazing! So first, we are going to make a bet. Oh, let's make a bet. I'm going to use this black color. First, I prepare 2 eyes. Look! Does it look like a bat? Yes, we made a bat! Our first friend is a bat. Next friend is... Aha! I need orange color! Ta-da! What's this? Oh, it's a Halloween pumpkin! Right, it's orange color and it has eyes, mouth, and even mustache! It's a Halloween pumpkin! Next one is... Ta-da! It's a ghost! Whoa, it looks scared! And let's make the last Halloween friend! Look, it's a monster! Halloween monster! Wow, so today we made a monster, a bat, a pumpkin, and a ghost. Great job, everybody! Using this Bunchems, you can make any kinds of friends, animals, ghosts, even monster. And now it's time to say